Yeah, this is an incredible story, really. Shares up 40% in European trade from the start of trade, although we have seen some of those early gains whittled back. But we're still well into positive territory in terms of the European trade on Credit Suisse shares. And let's talk about the SNB. But before I talk about the central bank stepping in with this $54 billion lifeline, let's mention the Saudi National Bank, because the SNB, the Saudi National Bank, is an anchor investor now in Credit Suisse and bought into the bank as part of last year's major restructuring announcement. Now, in part, the sell-off we saw yesterday was about the fact that the Saudi National Bank chairman, Amr al-Qudairy, was asked about providing further support for Credit Suisse, and he said a couple of things. He said, no, we're not going to do that for regulatory reasons, because their holding at the moment is just below 10%, and if they lifted it, it would trigger increased regulatory oversight from the Swiss authorities, which they don't want. So he said, no, we're not going to take a further stake. But he also said he didn't think it was necessary, it was unwarranted in his terms, because there was no problem with the balance sheet of Credit Suisse. And that is the conundrum here, because we know that Credit Suisse at the fourth quarter, which I was in Zurich to report, had a CET1 ratio of over 14%. The liquidity capital ratio, if you like, about 150%. So no hole in the balance sheet as such. This is a very different story from SVB. But markets are fragile, people are nervous, and obviously as interest rates rise, liquidity sucked out of the system, they are looking for weak hands. And Credit Suisse, because it doesn't seem to be able to get out of its own way, looks like one of those weak hands. But I have to say, this lifeline from the SNB really should draw a line under the recent jitters. Effectively, the central bank is now backstopping what it says is a systemically important bank for Switzerland. End of. So very interesting to see what the trade looks like in the near term going forward here, now that the central bank has put this backstop in place. Back to you.